Insecurity in Nigeria has been an everyday talk with daily records of attacks from kidnappers, as a Southeast governor says Buhari should not be blamed for Nigeria's insecurity. Well, Killer Fulani S-men, Boko Haram, unknown gunmen, and so on, all these attacks have caused unrest in every part of the country. According to Daily Post, the governor of Ebonyi State and also the chairman of the Southeast Governors Forum, David Umahi, has stated that President Muhammadu Buhari should not be blamed for Nigeria's insecurity crisis, rather than the past leaders should be blamed for failing to handle it during their tenure. The governor therefore gave reason for his statement, as he said that the previous leaders failed to equip the Nigeria youth ahead of time, and this has led to the increase of insecurity in the country. He therefore urged Nigerians not to accuse the present leadership for the insecurity, as he described it to be a systematic norm. Furthermore, he urged Nigerians to engage in a sincere fight against insecurity in the country in order to restore peace and unity. He explained that all this calamity did not just start now, as it has been there long ago and sad, and had just developed into what we are seeing now. It would not have gotten to this if the past leaders had handled it properly. Why all these blames by our politicians instead of thinking of a way to provide solutions to our problem? Mr. Dave could be right. Just few days ago, Governor Umahi had cried over killings in his state by killer Fulani herdsmen, and is speaking in favor of Buhari-led administration. What could be his interest? What do you have to say on this? These people, they are something else. So that is why you don't even rely on these people. Like I've always said, they will tell you something. They are worse than even the military. Like Oshomole came out to be telling us that military did this, military did that. But since you came since 1999, what has happened? You see? So I don't understand. Oh, they have infected this man. When you talk about the past leaders, it was PDP that was in charge of the administration that took over from that handed over to this present government, and David Umahi was part of that government. I don't understand why they think like that. Let's even leave whether it decamps or it did not decamp. The problem is that you saw the problem. You said you are going to fix it. You say you know what it takes to make it, to eradicate the problem. Then you are giving opportunity. Even when the problem was there, the people that you said that created the problems, the problem was not overwhelming as what we have now. You have added, instead of it to reduce the problem, even if you have not reduced the problem to the level at which people would appreciate it. If you met the problem at 70%, at least you should have reduced it to like a 30, 40. Because normally from what you have said, that you have what it takes to reduce the problem or to even eradicate the problem. Even if you could not eradicate the problem completely when you met it, let's say at a 60 or 50%, at least if you had reduced it to like 20%, okay, people will now know that you are still doing something, that, oh, it used to be like this, but at least it has reduced. But what did you people do? You aggravated the problems. I don't understand. So what is now the work of Buhari? What has he come to do now, 6 years down the line? David, when people begin to insult you people now, it will be as if they don't have respect. People begin to tell people, oh, don't insult them, don't insult them, stop insulting elders, stop insulting leaders. When you hear this kind of a thing coming out from their mouth, then the next thing Buhari has even been blaming Nigerian people. He has been blaming everybody except him. David Umahi has not joined them. I don't understand. So what is now the essence of you? Then since the problem is there, the people who created it, and you cannot do anything about it, then you step aside, you leave it, and leave it for the people who created the problem. You see how these people reason? When people begin to see all manner of things, you think they don't know what they are talking about. You think they are overbearing, their own is too much. They are overstepping their boundaries. That is what you think. But when you hear but by the time you hear this kind of statements coming out from these people, are you going to say that they know what they are doing, or they are just deceiving people? This Umahi has been going back and forth. He doesn't know what is happening. He doesn't know what is even wrong with him. The same man that told us that there's nothing like a regional security, everything has been peaceful, they don't need it, and they were deceiving people close to 2 years. All of a sudden, they say, no, nothing of such again. All of a sudden, again, they are coming back with a Ebubeago again. Hausa goes with Igbo head. It appears APC is the gathering of dead brains. How many times did Ebonyi people get slaughtered by S-men or other terrorist groups during the previous administration? One of the credentials that qualifies anybody to become a member of APC is you must be foolish. Be ready to be transformed into a foolish person. You must be a consummate liar. Our governor, Alhaji Dauda Umahilayi, okay, they don't give a name. David, that's a Dauda Umahilayi. Initially, I thought David was a responsible leader, but just a selfish politician. Mr. Umahi, whatsoever your is, you are very unreliable for saying this. I know you are looking for president's position. You will not see it. Bet me and see. This governor must be very unserious. Let us blame you now. Fake leaders, Fulani Hausa slave. When last did any of you see and shake your president's hand? Big fools. You think we Nigerians are not are stupid? Because foolish leaders like think that we are ignorant. What type of truth? Maybe we should blame you, Mr. Dave Umahi, for selling Southeast to your Fulani traitors or brothers. Umahi, who did this to you? It's worth asking. Who did this to Umahi? Who did this to them? I'm sure they are just confused and they don't know what to do again. That's why you see them beating around the bush. How can you be telling us at this age and time that the past leader caused it? They should not blame Buhari. Umahi should be blamed because Southwest governors formed workable security outfits. But is he not saying the truth? If it's not to be blamed, then who is to be blamed? Is he the commander? Is the commander-in-chief both security and otherwise? Then is the one to be blamed. Southeast and South governors are full of cowards. They are also to be blamed in the problem the Southeast and South are experiencing. He said past leaders, the fact is all Nigerian politicians are evil. It is painful. The governor is talking like a fool. If this Lord Buhari can fix the mistake of the failure of past governors, why then did he choose to come to power? If he knows that he cannot fix the problem, why did he come to power? Hey, now wow, this is terrible.